If you want to get your dream smile, come to Lara Clinic in Istanbul. My name is Dea Lanuja. I'm here with my mother. I came to Lara Clinic in Istanbul and I'm honestly so happy I did. Dentists here are very professional. Equipment they use is like the European equipment, which made me very stress-free. Everything was very comfortable and we were treated like we were at home. Everyone spoke English, which made it super easy. The pricing is very good. It was all super clear, no surprises at all. And I'm really happy with the results. If you want to get your dream smile, come to Lara Clinic in Istanbul.